Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital 8 over s plus 1, capital B over s minus 1 square, and capital C over s minus 1. Now we do common denominator. So because we have the power 2, that's why we need to have 2 fractions, and we need to reduce the powers from number 2 to number 1. About this one, it is missing about s minus 1 square, so capital A multiplied by s minus 1 square. About this one, it is missing about s plus 1, so capital B multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus 1 and s minus 1. Now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s square, we have a plus c. About s, we have negative 2a plus b. About the numbers, we have a plus b minus c. Now we need to compare coefficients. We don't have s square and s, so this one and this one equals to number 0. This one equals to number 1. And now I will create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So 8 equals to 1 over 4. B equals to 1 over 2. C equals to negative 1 over 4. And now I will put A, B, C, go back in here. So 8 equal to 1 over 4, B equals to 1 over 2, C equal to negative 1 over 4. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 Fn of the absolute value of s plus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 over s minus 1. And the last one, we have negative 1 over 4 Fn of the absolute value of s minus 1. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.